How to free up space on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can free up space on your laptop. So to do that, first of all, go to Start and then go to Settings. Now go to System and then Storage. And now you will see that Install Apps is occupying 15.7 gigs on my computer, Documents 6.5, Temporary Files 5.6, Others 3. So if you want, you can delete some temporary files, some installed applications on your device to clear up space. So for now, let me simply go to temporary files, and then as you can see, you will be able to clear these temporary files. And if you want, you can also delete downloads, recycle bin, but for now we'll simply not delete them as they might be useful to us. So simply tap on the option remove files and then go to continue. Now once you've done that, let's back out. After that, if you want, you can scroll down and then tap on the option clean up recommendations, so that this laptop will automatically recommend you what you can delete to free up some space. So it is currently suggesting to delete my downloads and my recycle bin, but for now we'll simply skip them. And if there are some large or unused files, it will simply show up over here. But since I just cleared my laptop yesterday, it is saying no recommendation files to clean. So let's simply back out and then let's go to our installed apps. Now simply sort them by size large to small, and then you will see that which app is occupying how much space on your laptop. So as you can see, Spotify Music is occupying 327 megabyte, whereas Wild Tangent Games is occupying 155 MB. So since I really don't need this Wild Tangent Games, I'll simply tap on these three dots and then tap on the option uninstall. After that, confirm by tapping the option uninstall and then tap on the option yes. Now once you've done that, it will successfully uninstall this game or this app from our device, and then of course free up some space. Now you can keep doing this until you delete all of the apps you don't need, and if you want, you can also go to your computer or your file explorer and then go through all of these and then delete what you don't want to clear up space. So that is basically how you clear up space on your laptop or your PC. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.